Hello vlog and welcome to Cádiz.
Welcome to Cádiz.
Welcome.
No, actually, it's ROTA. We're in ROTA. Yeah.
Welcome to Cádiz.
Incredible. Yes, everybody. Hello. We are in ROTA, Cádiz, as Dad said. It is part of Cádiz, which is like very American-based ba? A naval station ROTA. See? Yep. American military community. Yeah. It's very American naval base. So, and we left home at 4:20 and we arrived here just a few hours ago and a few minutes ago, like 12:30. So yeah, that's how long it took us. But then we stopped, so that's why it was long. And now we're at a little restaurant to eat lunch first before we go exploring. And the weather is very good. It's very Bruges weather. So that's good. Although it's not as cold, at least there's no sun. So that's very good. That's very good. And yes, welcome to Cádiz and welcome to summer 2026.
It's the largest American military community in Spain.
Is there anything you'd like to say?
Welcome to ROTA Cádiz. And we are here to enjoy our 2026 summer vacation.
2026 summer edition.
Do you have something to say?
Huh?
Do you have something to say?
The car trip was very long. And
I slept very long.
no rin. It
did,
was
you
long.
did.
It was long, but then I need more pa. On an actual bed.
Si Alvin isa, kung gano'ng kahaba yung travel, gano'n din kahaba yung pag-sleep niya. Tama.
It's very proportional.
The food's here. Oh wow, and the food has arrived. Wow, thank you for the food. Yeah, Dad drove the whole time. A bit of calaman. We have been eating for a while. There's still food. My train is stopping already. But Mom and Dad and Hal, they're still going strong.
Hindi ka naman nag-breakfast
I did. I ate
supposed to be
bread.
hungry,
I ate bread.
Ako na ate bread, but then
I ate a sandwich.
Okay.
Hello, everybody. Yes, hi. It's so hot. Do you see this? You see that? That is so hot. Huh? It's 2:30. It's like the peak sun hours here. And we're still at the parking. We're trying to figure out where to go first and how's gonna navigate. So we're trying to get everything into the GPS. It's already sweating. I'm already fanning. This is kind of giving me Santorini vibes. Everything's white. A lot of things are white here, and then like no tents. At least there's a breeze, but then the sun is pounding on us. But at least there's a breeze. Look at those waves. Creepy. Oh my gosh. It kind of looks like my grandfather on my mother's side. Oh wow, look at this one. Look at this one. It is. Wow. Are literally the only ones who are walking under the sun right now. Everyone else is in the shade. They're eating. It's eating time. And we're the only ones under the sun. you guys, dalandan. Dalandan. Dalandan tree. This is a very fat cat. Oh, he's sleepy. Wow, bird of paradise. So pretty. Ma'am, wala pa tayo to sa bahay. Kunin natin. There's a chair over there. There's a chair. Kasi no. There's a gourd. There is a gourd right over there. This is a street full of faces. You've got Medusa. Oh my days, what? He looks beautiful. Wow, this is so nice. It's just a normal pasillo, but it looks exactly like Mamma Mia, like Greece. Look what that's doing. Ano yun? That's an X. Kasi don't spread your feet. Just your yan. M Y M. Okay, that's okay. Okay na. Olives. These are olives. Yeah. Wow, chlorine. Chlorine. Calabasa. What? Do it again? Oh my days, what are you doing? Stop, you hooligan. Look at the stones. They're very arranged. Nice. Look at the floor. It's made out of good stones. Stones that they filed. And this is a church. Oh, I love the palm trees. Look at those. Nice. Incredible.
Not holding properly, but pag
Oo nga, ma'am. Not holding properly.
Anak, ang sarap. Try mo.
Try mo lang.
Grabe, ang sarap.
Isang ano.
Kasi have to go like this.
Super malamig. Sarap.
Teeth.
Hindi, hindi mainit. Diba? Sarap.
Thank you.
Okay.
One gulp lang, one gulp.
Didn't hold it properly. Favor. Oh. The beach is over yonder. It's over yonder. Oh, wow. Coming to the beach. That's what I've been waiting for this whole time. I want to see the beach. But then the problem is our waters, the Mediterranean Sea, their waters have elevated in temperature. So a lot of different bacteria have started to emerge, brain-eating ones. So it's very important that we determine which flag is on first. It has to be a blue flag so that it's, you know, appropriate for swimming. But other than that, you cannot swim or else you'll die. Wow! Oh, come on. Alas 3 naman. Mamlo, gumamela. Wow. Look at the bird. Oh my gosh, who's this? Libertad. It's an anchor. Oh, this is an actual light, like a lighthouse. A pirate's wheel. Over here. Yuck.
Hi.
Water.
Bisa kita din.
I don't think so. Ganda na.
Wow, it's purplish. Incredible.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wow. What's this?
Ito talaga drinking fountain niya eh.
Refillable water, that's good. One, two, and... Okay, everybody, and now we're in their shopping district. Wait, I think I have to put it. We're in the shopping district now. A lot of food, a lot of restaurants over there. We just came from over there. That's where the ROTA sign was. And here's mom and dad.
Yes, hi! Mainit na naman! Siyempre, summer!
Pawis! Pawis na pawis. Pero okay lang, kasi summer.
Yeah.
Okay, so yes, where are we going next, dad?
Ask our navigator.
Our navigator's over there. Oh.
Ang laki kasi ng mga sombrero eh.
Kaya nga. But yes, we are in Plaza Pio 12. Wow, look at the palm trees. And then you have the ocean right over there. Oh my days. I think over hindi, I don't know. Actually, I don't know.
Hi! Welcome to Pio 12.
Pahinga muna, pahinga.
Last stop namin here in Rota.
Bye-bye, Rota.
Magsiswimming na si
Aba.
Mama Dear.
We're going to teach mom and dad how to swim in the hotel now.
Kasi mag-aaral mag-swim.
Before we do kayaking.
Dagat na nga pero swim daw muna siya.
Asin na.
There are grapes. Wow. Wow, there are little grapes here. Grapes. Oh my gosh. The wind feels so nice. Hey. That's nice lang. Don't eat that. Spit it out. Don't do that. Yuck. That's so dami naman nun. Yuck. You see that wasp? It's eating a cockroach. Yuck. We're going to do a little pit stop at Aldi to get water. Because we don't have water anymore. So let's check out what they have.
So ito.
Ma'am, padron.
¿Tú sabías que
Dad,
comprando
padrón.
puedes ahorrar 2.400 euros al año?
I got some donuts. And Dad got a lot of water. And ice.
Windows down on the avenue, sunglasses and a wild print, golden light all over you. Radio sparks and summer thunder, heartbeat keeping time with the road. Every sign we passed was fading, like
We're going swimming in the beach because the pool is closed during Sundays. Gosh, look at that seagull. He's so huge. Oh my gosh, look at him. Welcome to the beach. Alam mo kung ano maririnig pa tayo or what eh.
Medyo mahira.
Oh, it's cold. It's cold. Let's go.
sparks and summer thunder, heartbeat keeping time with the road. Every time we pass
Wait. We're at the beach. Kind of cold. I got a little wound. I don't know if you can hear it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, okay, let's go. Sa Rota? Oo. Hindi na tayo. But then, hindi tayo masyadong ano. We're not going to be.
It's so cold. Let me acclimatize. It's cold. It's cold. Ayun, there's that. Oh my gosh. There's Pop-Pop. Ah! Lumabog na. Hello. Ayun. Ma'am, dapat may live better natin si Dad. Aba! Ba, galing nga. Aba! Thank you for coming. Yay!
Babaw ka.
It is.
Pinatok? Wala naman ah.
It is 2. Wait lang, 1, 2. Wait, it was from 1, 2, and... But it is a charge, Mom. First day! First day!
We're not supposed to swim,
Not
but
supposed
it's warm.
Yeah, kasi there's no pool.
Nakakapagod at yun, ganyan pala, nakakapagod na yun, no?
It is!
Ready?
Okay.
Ready? Yeah, go!
I don't want to put that way on.
Akin yun.
Bye!
Bye!